Hi, the easiest way to show what's wrong with this document and therefore what is wrong with your code is just to shoot a quick video. I am over here on my computer that has Word 2007. This is the original document that you posted on the forum, and I made a copy of it right here. So, for instance, if I open this, it comes up and tells me that there are problems, as you've seen. So let's go modify this document in the Open XML package editor, and I'll show you what you need to do to make it open, and therefore it will be clear how to modify your code to make it open. I'll drag the document to Visual Studio 2010, and the problem is this external reference right here. And if we look at the properties of that external reference, the main problem is this target. And the target, it's got a port of 8888, and somehow or other Word 2010 and Word 2013 are happy to see this particular issue and they'll just open it anyway. They don't complain about that. Whereas Word 2007 gets some kind of error, probably in the XML parsing or something that complains then about that particular link. So we have to go, and if we delete that link, so this is RID7, that's going to be important. So I'm going to delete the relationship. And now I have to go into the main document part and look for RID7. And here is the blip that contains that resource ID. So we pop up here, and we can just take out this whole drawing. We'll need to take that out. We can't leave it in there referring to a relationship ID that doesn't exist. So we'll save that, pop back over here onto the machine that has Word 2007, and the document opens just fine. So where this came from is when you initially generated the code for this document. In other words, you used the document reflector to generate the code. That link was in there. So in other words, you created this document with that link, with that 8888 port, generated the code, and so therefore that document is going to get created with that particular external link. So you have to go back to that original document where you generated the code, fix that link so it no longer is referring to that image. Actually, it's probably a dubious practice to have an external link for an image in that fashion, unless you know exactly what you're doing with regards to that, where you are going to be able to distribute your document in such a way that that external link will open correctly for every user. So that's the issue. Thanks for posting this issue. It was a fun little problem to research.